In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe checkout to your PandaDoc docs. If you want clients to pay directly from a document, this walkthrough will take you from setup to sending your first payment-enabled doc. We'll connect Stripe, add a payment block, configure checkout, send the document, and quickly cover test mode so you can verify everything before going live. Let's start by connecting Stripe to PandaDoc. In your PandaDoc workspace, head to Settings and open Integrations. Find Stripe and click to connect. You'll be redirected to Stripe to sign in and authorize the connection. Make sure you have the right permissions in both tools, and if you manage multiple Stripe accounts, select the correct one. Once authorized, you'll be back in PandaDoc with Stripe listed as connected. Next, add a payment block to your document or template. Open the document you're working on or set this up in a template so it's reused automatically. From the content panel, drag the payment block onto the page where it makes the most sense, usually near your pricing table or the signature area. If you're using a pricing table, link the payment block to it so the total is pulled in automatically and stays synced if you update line items. Now configure Stripe checkout and choose your payment methods. Click the payment block to open settings, select Stripe as the processor, and review available methods like cards, wallets, or bank payments based on your Stripe setup and region. Set the currency, decide whether the amount comes from the pricing table or a fixed number, and choose whether to collect the full balance or allow a deposit or partial payment. Add a clear payment description that will appear to your customer, and confirm which recipient is responsible for paying. Double check all amounts and currency to avoid confusion later. When you're ready, send the document for payment. Assign recipients, make sure the payer can see the payment block, and hit send. Your recipient will open the document, review the terms, and click pay. Stripe checkout opens in a secure window where they complete the payment. You'll see the status update inside PandaDoc, and both sides can access a payment confirmation for their records. Before you go live, consider using test mode. Enable test mode in the Stripe integration, send a test document to yourself, and use Stripe's test card numbers to simulate a real payment. Verify the amounts, the checkout flow, and the notifications. When everything looks good, switch back to live mode to start accepting real payments. That's it. Your PandaDoc is now ready to take payments via Stripe checkout.